So this is the newly launched Redtiger A6 triple channel dash cam. So Redtiger already has a triple channel dash cam called as the Redtiger F17, which is kind of bringing in a lot of sales for this camera, and of course priced at about 15 to 16K. But this camera is sort of a toned down version, or should I say a younger brother of the Redtiger F17, because this camera offers you a 2.5K quad HD resolution at the front with a full HD resolution with the cabin camera and a full HD at the rear camera. The rest of the features are pretty much the same. This comes with a super capacitor, gets GPS, gets 5 GHz Wi-Fi, and also gets a free 64GB memory card within the box. Well, most of the features are pretty much the same, and the good thing about the A6 is that you can also switch between the cameras, which means you can turn off the interior camera, and in that particular instant, the front camera records probably at an upscaled 4K resolution and the rear camera at a full HD resolution. So this is kind of a switching between the various different views, and this kind of provides you a versatility in terms of getting different perspectives at a most highest possible resolution, and at the same time saving yourself some money, because if you are not able to buy the Redtiger F17 and if you're looking to get yourself a triple channel dash cam and you want to get it at a lower budget, well, I think A6 fits right into that particular slot. So this is just a quick teaser video, and I'll just show you how the camera looks and what the kind of unboxing experience you might have once you get the A6 camera. But before actually jumping into the unboxing, there is a certain important point which you need to know about this camera. Now on Amazon, this camera trends at 12,999, that's about 13,000 rupees. But on the Redtiger website, this comes at 14,999, which is about 15,000 rupees. That's a difference of 2,000 rupees on Amazon and on Redtiger website. But I think you should consider buying and paying extra 2,000 from the Redtiger website. And the reason being, on the Redtiger website, you get a free hardware kit, which itself is worth about 2,600 rupees. Either the fuse tap based hardware kit or even the OBD2 hardware kit. You get to choose which one of the hardware kits you can buy for this camera. This means you actually save 600 rupees if you are buying from the Redtiger website along with the hardware kit. So if you're someone who is planning to get this camera and get coverage around the car, and specifically to get parking monitoring around your car, you should definitely consider buying from the Redtiger website and include the free hardware kit. Well, basically Redtiger is charging you 2,000 more when you compare it with Amazon, but on the other side you're getting a hardware kit which is worth 2,600 rupees. So basically you're saving 600 rupees for yourself if you do purchase this with the hardware kit combo on the Redtiger website. So this was just a quick teaser of the Redtiger A6. So make sure you're subscribed to my channel if you don't want to miss the full review, which I'll be dropping on my channel pretty soon. And of course, if you are interested in taking a deep look into the camera and if you want to purchase it already, I'll give you the link for the Redtiger website, which is obviously a more better deal because you're going to get a hardware kit with a 600 rupee discount if you do purchase it from the Redtiger website. And of course, I'll also provide you the Amazon link just in case if you don't want a hardware kit and you just want to buy the camera. Check out the links in the description below. And of course, if you do have any queries or if you want to know any specific thing about this camera, just write that down in the comment. I'll try to get back to you as soon as possible. And if this video has given you some excitement, some hope for the future to see what kind of new cameras come up, well, go ahead, hit that subscribe button of my channel right now, smash that like button and share this video to those who are looking for some new amazing dash cameras. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.